Hello viewers, in this video lecture we learn how to make this type of beautiful curvature curve that you are seeing in my screen. We can make it very easily in Sketchup with the help of JSS Power Bar plugin, and it is totally free. You can download it from Sketchup extension warehouse, and it is available. It's totally free. So let's go. First of all, you want to delete these files, like this is some groups or component, and I am going to select all this. Right button click, select all instance, hold shift and deselect it and press delete, enter. You must make a reference line that our object should follow the path, and this path should be this type of line. I just weld it using this TIG weld that which is already having in this JSS Power Bar plugin, and you must make a curve block. And after making the curve block, you just need to set it axis right direction, and for that, if I am going to explode this block, it's just a block, nothing else. Now I am going to make it as component. Hold right button click and make component. Give any name what you want to do. Now I'm going to give it as block 1 B1, and glue to none, set component access. This is very important issue for making this beautiful curve. So click on set component access and place this access where you want to put it, and it will our reference to array this line. So this must be our int section. That's why we must put our components to this location here, and always red axis must be in that direction, which direction it will array. So I am putting it in this direction. That's why I will put the red axis here, and then put this green line to its mirror, or this mirror. This mirror will put this object downward. So for taking upward, must put the blue axis upward. Now I am click on it, and it's ready. Now you just select the reference curve line and pick this toolbar. Here it is. There are two, but we pick first of one, and then pick the object you want to array. Look that our curve is ready, but the direction is opposite. So this is basically for our wrong axis, and this is trial and error process. So I am just going to go back by pressing Ctrl Z, and now selecting this component, right button click, change axis, then click on this button. Red should be this direction or this direction, and green should be opposite direction. Here this is ready for our construction. So select that reference line, and after that pick on this toolbar and pick the component. Hooray! This is ready for our construction. And in real world it will be like as this. So hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy my video, please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Also share this video to more and more people to beneficially. Thank you.